So my quick tasty tip of the day is to have a garbage bowl. I learned this from Rachel Ray. She said when you're cooking, you have a bowl right next to you so that you can throw all your trash in and you don't have to keep running back and forth to the garbage can. I love it. So I'm going to use my garbage bowl to collect any of my trash, and at the end of the day, you just throw it away. It saves a lot of time and it keeps your kitchen clean. I'm all about efficiency. So that is my quick tasty tip of the day. Thank you for joining me in Lavonne's kitchen. Bye.